The Nike Dunk High St. John's, originally released in 1985 as part of the Be True to Your School pack, is set to return for holiday 2025 at a retail price of $150. Known for its timeless two-tone color blocking, the sneaker features white leather underlays paired with vibrant gym red overlays, including the swoosh, heel tab, laces, and outsole. This classic look remains a favorite among sneaker fans, staying true to its collegiate roots while continuing to appeal to newer generations. The upcoming release is expected to closely resemble the 2022 version, maintaining the clean and simple aesthetic that defines the St. John's edition. While the Dunk High has been reimagined in countless colorways and collaborations, few match the iconic look and lasting popularity of this original. The Nike Dunk High St. John's will be available at Nike.com and select retailers during holiday 2025.